Kinda late for a charity drop-off, isn't it, boys?
I don't think this one's getting up again. And that means we have a winner. Still the undefeated champ, Wildcat!
I know. You happy punching the bag, or you want to go a few rounds with me? I am talking about sparring.
That'd be nice, too. You're telegraphing. You gotta center yourself.
Center myself. Got it. You're good.
You should see me when I'm trying.
I'd like that. In fact, I could use your help on something. But the leak can't know. I'll explain once we're on the surface.
I don't know. Sounds fishy.
I promise. It's for a good cause. How about a wager? If I can get out of this hold, you help me.
Deal.
I'll drive.
There's no place to change.
Right here'll do. You drop something?
Champ, mark my words, Wildcat. I know your kind, and you will fight again.
Of course you will. Just not here. There it is, right, Arrow? Relax. Nothing this guy can say is going to affect me one way or the other.
Is that right? Well, then perhaps you won't mind explaining how a lovely young lady like you ends up with a nobody like him. Were all the real men in the Justice League already taken?
I hope you're proud of yourself. Now we have to do guard duty from outside.
Hope I'm proud of myself. You're the one that punched him.
Yeah, but ow! It was like punching a brick wall. There's no fat on that man. Station.
All right, you two stay here. Don't make me sick Black Canary on you. You've only seen her nice side so far. You're not supposed to drive when you're angry.
They're heading towards the waterfront. Hang on!
It's so funny you think you have to tell me that. This is so unnecessary. Are we dead yet?
No.
Are we dead yet?
Look, if we die, I promise I'll let you know. I can't believe you! I rebuilt that bike by hand.
You're absolutely right. I'm sorry I saved our lives.
Oh!
Jean thinks Huntress is the unstable one. Where are we going?
Don't ask so many questions.
I'm sorry, but... Ew.
Jeez, what's wrong with you? You almost killed Fire back there. Are you undercover? Is Roulette blackmailing you? Talk to me.
You've got worse than that coming.
Better call the weekend on it. Terrific. What's going? How was I supposed to know you snapped out of it? I mean, I couldn't be sure.
I should have taken you down last time. My mistake.
You know, I was totally whipping your butt back when they caught us.
In your dreams.
Like I'd waste my dreams on you.
We could settle this right now.
After all the mindless brutality we've seen tonight, no thanks.
Yeah, I hear you. Bad enough most people think superheroes solve all their problems with their fists.
Like we're all a bunch of muscle-headed stereotypes.
We're better than that.
Way.
2 falls out of 3.
You're on.